Namaskar. Yesterday we discussed about the star of Mahiram. Today we are going to discuss about the star of Tiruvadra. It is also called as Adra, and this star is treated as full star because from first padam to fourth padams all padams are coming in the house of Gemini. That is, this star Tiruvadra star is coming in the house of Gemini. I mean zodiac of Gemini. Now, Tiruvadra people, how they have to perform the puja, to which god they have to perform the puja, regarding that only we are going to see. The Tiruvadra star people, they have to do the puja to goddess Durga Mata, because Tiruvadra people, they are coming under the control of the planet of North Node, or it is called as Rahu. And the Rahu is dominated, North Node is that planet North Node is dominated by Durga Mata. So they have to pray to the goddess Durga Devi properly and daily. If they do like this, definitely they will be treated as number one candidate in their life. I mean, for all the transactions, for all the performances, they will be considered as a number one candidate in their life, because that much good braveness will be given by goddess Durga Devi to Rahu people. And the Tiruvadra people, they are controlled by the planet North Node. Definitely the goddess Durga Devi will provide good braveness to Tiruvadra people at the time of performing the puja daily to goddess Durga Devi, and they will be treated as number one in their life for each and every transaction or for each and every activity. So better the Tiruvadra people, they have to pray to the god of goddess Durga Devi. Okay, in what manner the puja of Durga Devi must be performed by this star people means, usually I used to prescribe the photo of concerned god, but this time I do not prescribe the photo of Durga Mata. Instead of utilizing the photo, the Tiruvadra star people, they have to consider the light, lamp as a Durga Mata. The reason of not prescribing the photo of Durga Mata at home, the people, star people, Tiruvadra star people, they have to follow various good rules and regulation, restrictions, in order to pray to the goddess Durga Mata. So better we can consider the light as lamp as Durga Mata. The same effect. However, if we keep the photo and we are performing the puja, what effect we will get through that puja? The same effect will also be received by the star people, Tiruvadra star people, by using the lamp. So you need not to worry about the photo. Now, in what manner you have to perform the puja means, you have to light the lamp by using gingerly oil or ghee, as well as keep clean water and keep prasadam, as well as you should use the good flower of red color. Red color, good smell flower must be utilized for the puja of Durga Mata. Now we are ready with lamp. The lamp has got either gingerly oil or pure ghee, and we are ready with clean water, as well as we have got prasadam and we have got red color good smell flower. Okay, prasadam, what prasadam must be kept for the puja means, you have to take two items. First one, date fruit, Second is honey. Date fruit, 4 pieces of compulsory 4 pieces of date fruit must be taken by the Tiruvadra star people, and it should be mixed with the honey. And according to your family members' capacity at home, you can increase the dates number. Dates number in the sense date fruits number. But minimum there should be 4 date fruits, and it must be mixed with the honey, and this prasada must be provided as food to goddess Durga Devi. And now everything is ready. We are considering the lamp as Durga Mata, and take each and every flower, red color flower, good smell red color flower must be taken by Tiruvadra star people, and each and every flower must be kept under the feet of Durga Devi by saying the slogan Om Durga Madave Namaha or Om Durga Devi Namaha. Like that, minimum 18 times you have to chant the slogan, or maximum 108 times, if not at least 54 times. But minimum 18 times should be, you have to pray to God at least minimum 18 times. Minimum 18 times it is compulsory. So 18 times you can do the puja by using the flower, red color flower. And if not, if you are not able to continue it for 108 means at least 54 times you can chant the sloga. If possible, you can do it for 108 times. But minimum there should be 18 times you have to put the flower under the feet of the goddess Durga Devi. Like this daily, if you perform the puja and if you are looking after your daily transaction in your life, means definitely you will be number one in your life, because you are basically brave people. The braveness should be utilized only for the good events, good transactions, good activities. But if we are not under the control of a goddess or god, definitely our braveness will be utilized for some other unwanted transactions, unwanted activities. So in order to direct our mind properly only for good activities, definitely we have to make prayer towards goddess Durga Mata. Our unwanted thoughts as well as our unwanted activities will be neglected by Durga Mata at the time of performing this type of puja. And do this puja by Tiruvadra star people. Tiruvadra star people, please do this puja and get a good benefit, as well as you should be always number one in your life. This is my wish to you. Thank you very much for hearing this information. Suppose if you would like to consult your horoscope from me, you can call me for the number 9840773010, and additional information from Ashwini to Tiruvadra. So far I have provided my video in 3 languages. One is in English, another is in Malayalam, another is in Tamil. Which languages are very comfortable to you, based on that you can go and see the video. As well as if you like this video, please press the button, a subscription, subscribe button must be pressed. In that you can see the option all. If you press that, immediately you will get the notification. As well as if possible you share the video, as well as like the video. Hope you will perform the obligation well. Thank you.